We guide you through how to type in color on Discord so your messages stand out and look more creative. First thing you need to do is understand that Discord doesn't have built-in text color options, so you'll use code blocks with markdown syntax to change text color. To do this, type 3 backticks to start a code block, then write the language code like def, CSS, or INI depending on the color effect you want. After that, type your message and close the block with three more backticks. For example, using def with a minus sign will turn the text red, and using CSS with square brackets will show green text. Experiment with these different syntaxes to achieve other colors or highlights. Once sent, your message will appear in the chosen color in Discord, making announcements, notes, or highlights more visually engaging. This method works on both desktop and mobile versions of Discord.